Modern Exterior, and today we are in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, taking a look at a sunroom edition roof, and it's leaking. So if we take a look here, you can see it's definitely aged. You see a lot of the seams here on this window roof are caulked, and you know the caulk has a bunch of algae growing on it, as well as it's just peeling. The main reason we were called out here is the skylights were leaking. So if we take a look right here, they can see there's a lot of caulk that was just put on over these skylights, and as you can see now there's just holes where water's getting in all along here, so that's what's causing the leak. But not only that, the nail heads, the caulk is failing now and water's getting in through that as well. You can see all around here they just weren't installed properly. And then if we go over to this other one as well, we have the same issue with exposed nails that are going to start rusting out, and water's just going to get in that way, but just not a very great job on installing them. And this roof here at the seam is leaking as well. So what we're going to propose as the best solution to fix this, for these low slopes like this, a really good option is EPDM. So we're going to remove this, we're going to put new decking, new insulation on top, and then we're going to put EPDM. It's just going to allow the water to flow much better along this flat roof, and it's not going to leak.